A PVC Louvre is basically an operable window, and the prototype is just a typical two-roomed house. In this card version, you have the two windows. One is shown as opened with the mesh on the outside. The one is closed, basically indicating the barrier that is created from inside. And then this is the open version with the PVC pipes rotated at 90 degrees to allow for airflow, visibility, and cross ventilation. So it's a solution that gives an opening and closing mechanism from 0 to 90 degrees. You can see how the panels open and close through the scissor rope mechanism, and the smaller PVC pipes as the rotating joint. And then we allowed for 3-layer barrier. On the inside you have the pipes, intermediary you have the wattle pipes, and then on the outer side you have the layer of the fabric mesh, which will be like the vector screen. You have features like locally used materials, the likes of PVC pipes, the wattle poles they used to construct their basic homes, fabric mesh, repurposed timber, cypress wood from maybe pallets, and scissor ropes.